Hello, my name is Eugene Ochako and I'm a developer at Guardian.io. So today's supply chains are the invisible force behind everything we consume, but hidden within them, there are devastating realities. That is wildlife trafficking, forced labor, and environmental exploitation. We have global systems that extract not only resources, but human lives and ecosystems. We exist to transform supply chains from opaque to transparent, from exploitative to ethical. Our users are businesses and partners who understand that ethical supply chains are not just good for the planet, they're good for business. Guardian.io is designed with them at the center, actionable insights, clear dashboards, and guided compliance to meet ESG standards and human rights legislation. We answer real-world demands, avoid reputational risk, meet regulatory obligations, and most importantly, operate with integrity. We've leveraged Palantir as our backbone. It allows us to integrate fragmented data sources globally, from custom records to sustainability certifications using the AI-powered modules. We want to detect the anomalies in trade routes and flag high-risk suppliers automatically. Foundry's modular architecture lets us combine governance, data lineage, and real-time analytics, justifying our cause to use it to our platform rather than building from scratch. We want to focus on orchestrating the best-in-class tools for scale and security. We are prioritizing building real-time visibility, rapid compliance tools, and a scalable data foundation. Our app workflow deals in onboarding to the risk scan, to the dashboard, to the compliance reports, to collaboration, which is a fast and intuitive purpose built for decision makers. A deep dive is that we have the data fusion pipelines to merge diverse datasets, the AI anomaly detection to identify the hidden risks, and real-time alerting via Foundry's operational workflows. So the most interesting challenge is to normalize supplier data across regions, and we want to solve this by training our AI models to recognize inconsistent formats and reconcile data discrepancies dynamically. So with every decision that we want to make, we want to balance complexity with usability to deliver powerful insights without overwhelming the person who will be using the platform. Our goal is to turn complexity into clarity, and we believe ethical supply chains are the future of global business, and we are building the tools to make it a reality. So while we have this, we have the data sources, that is the supplier, custom data, NGO watch lists, sustainability, financial transactions. We also have governments that will also be offering data sources. With the data integration layer into Foundry with a real-time pipeline. The real-time pipeline also channels data into the security governance layer for full data lineage and audit. So this is what we have. This is our architecture for the system, and this is what we're trying to build out on Guardian.io. After the real-time pipelines, we have the data harmonization, which flows into the data fusion and ontology section, which is a Foundry. Here we have the suppliers and the regions, risk factors, and compliance. I think mostly we have to also focus on the front-end architecture, which is something that we'll have to look into, innovate towards. We also have the AI-powered risk engine, the automated anomaly, predictive models for human rights. On the app workflow, we can have onboarding. Users upload user supplier data or connect existing systems, and we will have a risk scan where the AI engine runs automated scans, cross-referencing databases of known violations and high-risk zones. This would all be in the dashboard, that is the user interface and collaborative section, where the users will see live insights, flagged suppliers, risk scores, and recommended actions. And we'll be able to have the compliance reports that will be generated, one-click generation of exportable reports for our audits and regulatory filings. We will also be able to collaborate, whereby teams can annotate, assign tasks, and build an audit trail for transparency. And that is our idea on what we're trying to build on Foundry. Yes.